Substack, but not quite sure how it actually works? Here's what most people miss. Substack isn't just a newsletter. When you use it right, it can replace your website, your email system, and even your social media strategy. And there's one feature hardly anybody talks about, the one that can actually turn your voice into income. And I'll show you that in just a minute. But first, let's break down how Substack really works. I'm Hart, the Coach's Alchemist, and I help conscientious entrepreneurs amplify their voice, monetize their mission, and get visible through podcasting and Substack. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how Substack works, you'll also see why it's the perfect platform for the soul-led entrepreneurs who are tired of chasing algorithms and ready to build a business that feels authentic and aligned. Let's start with what Substack actually is, because most people get this wrong. Substack is a publishing platform, but think of it as your digital home base. It brings together your writing, your audio, your community, all in one space. When someone subscribes, your post goes straight to their inbox. No algorithm deciding who sees it, no fighting for attention. It's you, directly in your readers' hearts and inbox. In a minute, I'll show you how this one simple setup saves you hours a week compared to traditional marketing platforms. From your reader's perspective, Substack feels like a mix between a blog, an inbox, and a community. They can read your post inside the app or directly from their emails. They can like, comment, and even restack, which is resharing, to help your message spread organically. This social element is the hidden growth engine most creators overlook, and it's one of the reasons Substack is exploding right now. We'll come back to that in a second when we talk about how visibility actually compounds here. For you as a creator, Substack handles the tech so you can stay in your zone of genius. It automatically hosts your posts, sends them out as email messages to your subscribers, and tracks the analytics while giving you the freedom to just create. But here's where it gets really powerful. Every post you publish becomes 3 things instantly: a blog article, an email newsletter, and a social post on your Substack profile. That's what I meant earlier when I said it saves you hours. Once you create on Substack, Substack distributes it everywhere, and it's the easiest way to build omnipresence without burning out. Now remember that one feature I mentioned earlier? That one can turn your voice into income. It's Substack's built-in paid subscription feature. You can keep some content free to build trust and then offer others exclusive access to your coaching insights, bonus training, or private podcast episodes for a small monthly fee. Substack handles all the billing, so you just focus on creating. And the best part, you can turn your existing podcast into a paid show right inside the platform. No tech, no middleman, just direct support from the people who love your work. This is why Substack feels like home for conscious entrepreneurs. It's not about hustle, it's about harmony. You're not battling algorithms or shouting into the void. You're building real relationships through authentic expression. And when you pair that with your podcast or your school community, it becomes a self-sustaining visibility loop, one that grows your audience and your income organically. So if you're ready to start your own Substack podcast or newsletter and finally get visible without the tech overwhelm, join us inside the You World Order community. It's where we collaborate, and collaboration replaces competition. So Substack isn't just another platform, it's a bridge between purpose and the people who are waiting to hear it. Start where you are, share what you know, and if you want support turning your message into momentum, I'll see you inside the community. Remember, you have all the power to change the world. Start today and get visible.